Hello guys! So today we're going to learn about multi-step equation. There isn't actually a lot of equation that I'm going to give you as an example. There's like only two equations. I'm just going to show you how multi-equation is set up. So first, before we even do that, we have to do the your turn, like the video that I showed you that you had to do, since I told you that you had to put it in your comments, in the comments, to make sure to tell me that what you get. All right. So here in this video, I will show you how to do it and I'll show you the answer. All right. Okay, the first one. Negative 11p plus 9 equals 53. As usual, we had to isolate the variable. So we have a positive 9. We had to get rid of 9 first. So the inverse of plus 9 is minus 9. So we had to subtract both sides by negative 9. Cancel. We'll bring down negative 11p equals 53 minus 9 is 44. And then we have to isolate the variable again. This time the opposite of multiplication is division, so we had to divide both sides by negative 11. Negative 11p and negative 11 canceled, so we left with the variable p equals 44 divided by negative 11 is negative 4. P equals negative 4 is your answer for the first one. Okay, the second one, distributing. As usual, we should start with distributing. So draw arrows, like I have told you in the last video. Okay, so we had to multiply these two. Excuse me, not divide, just multiply these two. So we'll get negative 40x minus 40 equals negative 280. Okay, so as usual, we had to isolate the variable. We had to add both sides by 40. Oh, that's not even good. You had to just cross it out, cancel it out, bring down negative 40x equals negative 240. So now we had to isolate the variable by dividing both sides by negative 40. So we're left with the variable x. Okay, so negative 240 divided by negative 40 is 6. X equals 6 is your answer. Isn't that not hard? See, that's our answers. That isn't even hard. Okay. So let's get to the top. Just forget about the racing. Okay, so we're learning about multi-step equation. I'm just telling you that there aren't steps because the steps are similar to the two-step equations. Everything is similar. The thing is there are distributing concluded, and there are also like terms going on here. Like terms are just terms that are the same, and we had to just either subtract or add them or divide them or multiply them. Okay, here we are. So the first thing we had to do to solve this problem is we have to distribute first. So first, let's carry down everything. 140 equals negative 7b minus, so don't bring this down. We have to distribute first. So here it is. So we got 24b plus 42. Okay, so let's carry this down. Alright, so first, before we even start doing all those isolating variables going on, first we had to make sure that there are like terms. If there's like terms, we had to group them, which is called commutative, associate to connect them, or to put them or add them. Associate grouping them, use them. Okay? So there is a like term here. We don't have to group it. We just have to put parentheses around them. So we will have to do negative 7b minus 24b, which will be like, just add them together. That means we'll have 140 equals negative 31b plus 42. So now we're on an equation of a two-step equation. So as usual, to solve this equation, we'll have to figure out, we had to isolate the variable. First, we had to subtract both sides by 42. I think I need more space here. That should be canceled. I'll draw an arrow to you so you know you should look here. So we'll end up with 62
Oh my god, no, what? Okay, spring, isn't it?
Yeah.
equals negative 31. So now we have to divide both sides by negative 31. So we have to bring down b. So 62 divided by negative 31 is negative 2. b equals negative 2 is your answer. Alright, so the next one. We have 140 equals negative 7, the quantity of 4 plus 3k. So first we had to distribute negative 7 multiplied by 4, negative 7 multiplied by 3k. So to solve this, we have to first bring down 140 equals. Okay, so we had to multiply negative 7 times 4, which is negative 28. Okay, negative 7 times 3k is going to be negative 21k. So now we have a two-step equation. As usual, we have to isolate the variable. First, we should get rid of 28, so we had to add both sides by 28.
I don't think I've seen that formula before, man.
Okay, so we have to bring this down.
This is anywhere. The G
Negative 21k, and we end up of 168. Now we have to divide both sides by negative 21. Bring down the variable. We had to divide them. So k equals. So 168 divided by negative 21 is negative 8k. That's our answer. That's not even bad, isn't it? That's pretty much how it is. I mean, actually, you won't actually have any practices, so you're okay on this video. So I will have one last video I have to show you, which is solving equations with the variable on both sides. I will show you that on the next video. I hope this video showing about multi-step equation helps. Thank you for watching. Bye. I'm Emily Wu. Here's my channel. Whenever you need help, you can always go to my channel, and then you could just look for it, and then you'll understand the math equations better. Okay? Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps.